Well, it's been a while, but hello, students, and welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School. I'm Jay. On today's lesson, I will teach you four, maybe five English practice sentences using the word complain. Now, when someone complains, they are usually talking about something they are not happy with or something they find unpleasant. Complaining can be verbal communication or nonverbal communication. It's an expression of displeasure about a situation, product, service, or experience. You might say, please don't complain, but Jay has been away for a while. It's a way of expressing that you're not satisfied with something or you want something to change or to improve. Let's look at a few sentences that you can practice using complain in English. You might say, she didn't complain when it started raining during her picnic, meaning she didn't express dissatisfaction when it began to rain. You know, it's such a beautiful day, you might say. Why should I complain? Or another example is, he doesn't like to complain about his problems. He prefers to find solutions. Simply meaning he doesn't enjoy talking about his issues negatively. He simply wants to find a remedy. A third example would be, please don't complain about the food. It's very impolite. So you want someone to refrain from expressing dissatisfaction about a meal or something you have prepared. And finally, you might say, they complained to Jay about not having a video for the last 3 months. Please don't complain. So these are some examples of how you could use complain in a sentence in English. Make sure that you practice these sentences so you can use them in a different context. Make sure you practice by watching this video again. Now, before we leave, I would like to say, as I started the video out, I had a number of personal things happen in my life, and I had to stop making lessons for a short period of time. But I am so grateful that I am in good health and I'm still here and able to make lessons for you. Thank you for everyone that sent me messages on my Instagram page. I've just been silent and getting my strength back over these last few months, and so I'm ready to keep the lessons coming. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Again, my name is Jay, and I hope you join me on my next English lesson. Have a great day.